Good morning, my name is Viviana Zanabria. I'm 32. I live in Spain. Since I don't know, since 20 2021 or something like that. I've been here for almost 4 years. What else? Um, I'm from Colombia. I am working in a bakery. Juan Valdez is a Colombian branch, and so there are some of the here in Spain, and I am working uh, into one of them. Mm, I live in Madrid. My English level, mm, well, uh, I think is B2. I already took an international exam the last semester, I think so, uh, because I wanted to avoid studying or uh, taking some English subjects uh, at this university, the first ones. So I took the exam. I'm not sure about the name, but I think it is ITEP, could be. Mm, so so the result was that I was in B2 level. I've just taken that English exam, through my life, and that was the first one and the last one until now. Mm. Okay, so the last one is, well, I haven't done something about preparing people for international exams, but I'd like to, you know, but it could be something that I will learn by the time and through the experience, um, because I haven't done it before. Um, the last semesters, because this is the last subject, I've been with different levels groups, and so I am available for any groups that you consider that I could be a good tool for. So that's me. Thank you so much.